Again, isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. So we are now again to another topic in differential equations, calculus to sasabihin ko. Ay shout out sa mga nakapag-advance reading na, nakapag-advance study na. Saludo ako sa inyo kasi desidido kayo mag-aral. Sa mga hindi pa natatapos yung videos, please humabol kasi we are already in topic number 4, okay, titled Separation of Variables. Okay, again sa mga advanced, very good, job well done. Sa mga hindi pa, kailangan humabol. Okay, in separating variables in this topic 4, we need the skills or knowledge in integral calculus. So, gagamit kasi tayo ng integration ngayon. Kaya yung mga previous topics natin, last sem, ilalabas ngayon natin. No? Kasi yung mga different formulas. Kaya yung index card ng integral, pakilabas na rin. Okay, so ano ba ang separation of variables? It is a differential equation of first order and first degree and may be written in the differential form. Okay, so we have two terms. No? So again, dapat siya ay first degree and first order lang. So, first derivative, tapos linear, hanggat maaari. Okay, so we have two terms. The first term is being represented by m, having an x variable or y variable. And the second term is represented by n. Again, can be represented by x or y variable. But since on the first term, it is in the part of dx. If you remember, in our differential calculus, we are always solving dy over dx. So, yung independent variable na dx, which is the denominator in differential calculus, is on the part on the first term. While the dy part of differential calculus is on the second part. Kaya sa first term, kailangan puro x siya. So, we can integrate. Now, same with the second term, puro y naman para ma-integrate siya. Okay, where m and n are both functions of x and y. So, rewriting the equation into two functions where the first term is represented by x variable having the dx part, while the second term having a y variable is the dy part. So, integrating both terms and both sides, the left and right members. So, deriving integral of the first term plus the integral of the second term, which is now equals to the constant. So, yan magiging pinaka-general form natin lagi. Same with the final answer. Na si constant, laging ilalabas to the right para maging maayos. So, now, we're going to solve examples. On the first example, okay, solve the equation x squared times y plus 1 plus y squared x minus 1 times y prime is equals to 0. So, by inspection, we are in the first order and first degree. Now, because of the y prime. So, if we're going to solve it, so, kailangan muna natin i-reform or write the equivalent value of y prime. Now, this one. So, kailangan natin munang palitan to. Into its other form. So, ano yung other form na sinasabi ko? So, writing first the equation. Oops, sorry. Okay, so ano yung equivalent form niya? Yun yung dy over dx. Okay, we need to separate variables. Paano separation yung gagawin? Sa first term, ang isusulat, hanggat maaari, puro x. Na yung m is represented by x. So, part ng dx. Tapos, yung sa second term naman, y, part naman siya ng dy. Okay, so separating first dy over dx by multiplying both sides by dx. We have x squared y plus 1 dx plus y squared x minus 1 dy equals to 0. Okay, so napag-iwalay na natin yung part sa differential calculus. Next, retaining only x squared on the first term, we need to eliminate y plus 1. So, eliminating y plus 1, we need to divide y plus 1. Para pag ito, minultiply ko sa first term, cancel si y plus 1. But on the second term, since we have x minus 1, we have to eliminate it to retain only y squared dy. We need to divide it by x minus 1. So, yun yung magiging ibig sabihin parang LCD niya, no? So, multiplying the LCD on the first term, ay matitira na lang si x squared dx, tanggal na si y plus 1, over, meron pa siyang x minus 1. So, puro x na lang siya. Plus, sa second term, may matitirang y squared dy divided by, tanggal na sa x minus 1, may matitira pang y plus 1. Okay, equals to 0. So, we are now separated the variables. Kaya tinawag na separation of variables. We can do now the integration. Integrating both sides. So, we have integral of x squared dx over x minus 1 plus integral of y squared dy over y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, integral ng 0, 0 pa rin. Kaya walang problema sa right side. So, paano natin i-evaluate itong equation na to? At paano rin natin i-evaluate itong equation na to? So, by looking on the fraction, since fraction yung first term and second term, okay, ibig sabihin improper siya. We need it to divide. Masabi, pag improper, meaning to say, mas malaki ang degree ng numerator. No, mas malaki yung degree ng numerator kesa sa degree ng denominator. Same with the second term. So, it means improper siya. So, pag improper, we need to divide. So, paano natin i-divide? We're going to use long division process. Kung ayaw nyo naman, you can do also factoring. So, i-recall ko lang kayo sa long division process. Okay? So, paano ba ang long division process? Pang elementary lang. Pinagkaiba lang, this is expression or algebraic expression. So, we have x minus 1 divided by x squared. Since there is missing term, write 0x. Yung missing term para kumpleto siya mamaya. So, we have x squared divided by x is x. And the first term ng quotient to be multiplied by the whole divisor, x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. Next is to subtract. change the sign. This will become negative. This will become positive. So, cancel na to. Okay, so x, 0 naman to, no? Plus positive x, so positive x. So, stop na ba tayo? Hindi pa rin. Kasi, same pa rin yung degree nito. Ang radicand natin, no? Ay, radicand, I mean, yung number sa loob. Yung dividend natin. So, x divided by x is 1. Again, yung quotient to the whole divisor, multiply 1 times x is x. 1 times negative 1 is minus 1. So, same procedure in negative. Change the sign. X will become negative. So, x cancel. This will become positive. So, we have a remainder of 1. So, anong ginagawa natin sa remainder na 1? Nilalagyan natin ng r, di ba? That was during your elementary days. So, hindi ganun ang gagawin. Kaya yun. So, yung remainder, i-add natin sa quotient as the numerator over the divisor of x minus 1. So, ganun yung gagawin natin. Papalitan na natin itong part na to. Okay, nito. So, we're going to replace the first term. So, the first term will become integral of x plus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 close dx. Okay, for the second term, we need again to divide it. Same procedure lang naman. Y plus 1 divided by x squared and write the missing term. Okay, so again, the dividend divided by the divisor, we have y. The quotient multiplied by the whole divisor. We have y squared plus y. I subtract, change the sign, cancel to, negative y. I divide again, we have negative 1, multiply, negative y minus 1. Subtract, change the sign, cancel na to, we have a remainder of 1. So, plus, the remainder will become the numerator divided by the divisor. Okay, so papalitan na natin ulit yung second term. So, plus integral of y minus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1 dy. Okay, nakakasunod. Equals to 0. So, next is, we can now apply integral calculus. So, by separation, pwede natin i-separate isa-isa. So, we have integral of x, integral of dx. Isa-isahin natin yan. Dx na lang kasi 1 yun. Plus integral of dx over x minus 1 plus same thing with the other or the second term, y dy minus dy plus dy over y plus 1 equals still 0. Okay, for the next solution, so we have integral of x dx is, okay, I cannot hear you. Ano yung integral ng x dx? Okay, good. Natatandaan pa. Huwag i-mix yung differential at saka integral ha. Sa differential, difference, subtract. Integral, integrate, add. So, we have to integrate x. Add tayo over 2. may plus C yan. Pero yung mga plus C ng bawat terms, pagsasamahin na natin at gagawin natin constant na letter C at ilalagay sa dulo as per the format na yung diniscuss natin kanina. Okay, plus integral of dx is x. Okay, plus, okay, yung second term, third term, let u equals to x minus 1. So, du is equals to dx. So, this is yung parang quotient rule na ln. No? Kung natatandaan nyo. So, isa-isahin ko, yung dx will become du over u. Okay, yung magiging equation niya. Okay, fourth term, y dy, we have y squared over 2 minus integral of dy is y plus, same thing with this one, let u equals y plus 1, du is equals to dy. So we have integral of dy, which is du over u equals 0. So we have x squared over 2 plus x plus ln of absolute value of u, where u is x minus 1, plus y squared over 2 minus y, plus we have ln absolute value of y plus 1. So, yung bawat c ng each term, okay, pagsasamahin ko na at ilalagay ko na yung c sa dulo. Okay, so itong equals na to, tatanggalin ko na, no? Kasi meron naman akong equals doon sa part. Wala na to, ha? Wala na yan. Okay, so next, ayusin natin. So, gusto ko sa final answer laging maayos. If I'm going to multiply 2 para matanggal yung mga denominator. So, we have x squared plus 2x plus 2 ln of x minus 1 plus y squared na lang. Wala na yung 2. Minus 2y plus 2 of ln absolute value of y plus 1 equals 2c. Okay, 2c can still be written as c. Constant pa rin naman yun. Okay, so we can now combine, okay, yung dalawang may ln. No? Kailangan i-apply nyo pa rin yung law ng logarithm. Kasi pag hindi nyo in-apply, mamalian ko yung sagot ninyo. Okay, so add both naman positive. So, adding logarithm, it means multiplication. Ano mangyayari sa 2? Ito yung magiging exponent. So, if I'm going to rearrange it, isin ko muna. We have x squared plus 2x plus y squared minus 2y, okay, plus yung first term na ln, x minus 1, lagay ko na yung squared, yung 2 sa taas as the exponent. Same with the last term, y plus 1, lagay ko na rin yung 2 sa taas. Still constant. Tapos, i-apply natin yung law ng logarithm. So, we have x squared plus 2x plus y squared minus 2y. Again, adding logarithm, multiplication. So, ln of x minus 1 squared times y plus 1 squared equals to c. Okay, nakakasunod. So, pwede ko na rin pagsamahin to na naka-squared sa labas. So, we have x squared plus 2x plus y squared, minus 2y plus ln of x minus 1 y plus 1 squared plus c equals to c. So this is our final answer. Example number 2. Solving example number 2. Okay, solve the equation xy dx plus the quantity 3 minus 2x squared dy. So, naka-reveal na yung dx and dy. Yung gagawin na lang natin, we need to separate the variables. So, rewriting again xy dx plus quantity 3 minus 2x squared dy equals 0. So, sa first term, kailangan natin tanggalin si y para matira lang si x. So, we need to divide by y. Sa second term naman, dy ito, kaya kailangan matanggal naman si 3 minus 2x squared. Now, multiplying the LCD to the first term, matitira si x dx, cancel si y, tapos sa denominator, meron pa rin 3 minus 2x squared. Okay, plus, second term, tanggal si 3 minus 2x squared, matitira si dy sa numerator over y equals to 0. Okay, next, we can now integrate both sides. By integrating both sides, so we have integral of x dx over 3 minus 2x squared plus integral of dy over y equals to 0. So, simpleng quotient rule lang to, no? Kasi dito sa first term, yung x kailangan matanggal. So, paano natin matatanggal yon? By getting the derivative of the denominator, which is we're going to represent it by u. 3 minus 2x squared. So, du is equals to negative 4x dx. So, yun yung x matatanggal natin. Second term naman, let u is equals to y. So, du is equals to dy. Replacing all the variables, we have integral of x dx by reforming na yung du. So, we have du over negative 4x. Tanggal na natin si x. Okay, over, yung 3 minus 2x squared is our u. Plus, integral of dy, dy is our u and y is our u. Equals to 0. So, yung negative 1/4, pwede ko nang ilabas. Mas matitira dito ay du over u, which is equals to ln of absolute value of u, where u is 3 minus 2x squared. So, may plus siya, no? Sa huli na natin lalagay. Plus, yung du over u na naman is ln absolute value of u, where u is y. So, yung c, ilalagay ko dito. And we can also write ln of c. Okay, bakit? Kasi constant rin naman yung ln of c. So, walang pinagkaiba. So, bakit ko lalagyan ng ln to? Kasi if we're going to apply law of logarithm, kailangan magkaroon pa rin to ng ln, no? Para mabalansin natin, matanggal natin yung mga ln. So if I have negative 1/4, so we can multiply 4 para matanggal natin yung denominator. So we have negative ln of absolute value of 3 minus 2x squared plus 4 ln absolute value of y. Okay, still, this is ln of c. No, kahit may 4 pa yan, it doesn't matter kasi constant pa rin siya. Hindi ko nalalagay. So, aayusin ko lang muna to. Yung 4 ln of y, yung 4 pwede nang gawing constant. Constant. Pwede nang gawing exponent, other. So, we have absolute value of y is the 4. Tapos, itong part naman to, minus ln, absolute value of 3 minus 2x squared equals to ln of c. Okay, so pwede na natin i-apply ang law of logarithm. Pag subtraction, nagiging division. So, we have y raised 4 over 3 minus 2x squared equals to ln of c. That's why naglagay tayo ng ln of c. Sa c pala, naglagay tayo ng natural logarithm, no, para magkaroon ng cancellation. So, ang matitira na lang ay y raised to 4 over 3 minus 2x squared equals to c. So, this can be our final answer, or pwedeng tanggalin yung fraction, cross-multiply lang natin si c. So, we have c times 3 minus 2x squared. This can be also our final answer. Kung ganun lang naman kadali, sarap mag-solve, no? Yung separation of variables. One of the method. Now, proceed tayo sa example number 3. Find the general solution of x, y, y prime, which is equals to 1 plus y squared. And then, find a particular solution. Pag sinabing particular solution, kailangan matanggal yung constant. Yung wala tayong c. So, yung c na yon magkaka-value. Pagka-value, isa-substitute natin ulit sa general solution. Ay, paano magkaka-value si c? If we're going to substitute the given value of x and y, which is x equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Okay, so let's start solving. So again, by rewriting the problem, x, y, yung y prime, papalitan na natin ulit ng dy over dx equals to 1 plus y squared. So by cross multiplication, to separate dy and dx, yan yung magiging equation ngayon natin. So, wala tayong two terms, no? Meron lang tayong term for the left and term for the right. So, kahit magkapalit si dy, dx yan, walang problema kasi both terms naman, it means equal. So, sa left, si dy, kailangan y lang matitira. Sa right, dx, kaya dapat si x lang matitira. So, we need to remove x on the left, kaya i-divide ko si x. We need to remove 1 plus y squared, kaya i-divide ko ng 1 plus y squared. Okay, so multiplying the LCD on the left, we have y dy na lang matitira, so tanggal si x, pero magkaka-denominator ako na 1 plus y squared equals. Sa right naman, matatanggal si 1 plus y squared, kakaroon lang ako ng dx over x. Okay, so next, we're going to integrate. in-integrate na natin to, both terms. So, gagawin natin, mag-let u ngayon tayo. For the first left member, let u equals to 1 plus y squared. Parang kanina lang. Example 2. So, du is equals to 2y dy. Yung sa right naman, let u is equals to x. So, du is equals to dx. So, substitute natin yung values. So, we have integral of y dy. Replacing y equals to du over 2y. Cancel siya. Over 1 plus y squared is our u. Equals integral of dx, which is du, and x is u. So, sa left member, pwede ko nang ilabas 1/2. Matitira du over u, and integral of du over u is ln absolute value of u, where u is 1 plus y squared. Equals du over u again is ln absolute value of u, but our u here is x. Okay, yung c, ayan, plus c. So, again, may ln yan. Lagyan ko na rin ng ln para makancel si c. Mamaya, ay si ln pala. Again, yung fraction na 2, if we're going to multiply both equations, so we have ln, tanggal na si 1/2, 1 plus y squared equals to ln absolute value of x plus 2 ln of c is still equals to ln of c. Hindi ko na muna kailangan si 2 kahit walang ilagay kasi constant pa rin yan. So, transpose 2 ln of x to the other side. We have ln of 1 plus y squared minus 2 ln absolute value of x equals to ln of c. So, yung 2, pwede ko nang gawing exponent. So, we have ln of 1 plus y squared minus ln of x na naka-squared is equals to ln of c. So, applying law of logarithm, subtraction again is division. So, we have ln of 1 plus y squared over x squared is equals to ln of c. So, both sides have an ln. Pag in-inverse natin yan, cancel yan. So, we have value of c. Lipat ko lang ha. Equals to 1 plus y squared over x squared. So, based on the condition, para makuha natin yung particular solution, I let y equals to 3 and x is equals to 2. So, kunin ngayon natin yung value ni c. So, c is equals to 1 plus y, which is 3 squared, over x squared, or 2 squared. So, value of c is 1 plus 9 over 4. So, we have 10 divided by 4, or equals to, pag nireduce, 5/2. So, ito yung value ngayon ni c. So, we can substitute the value of c to the original solution. Ano yung pinaka-solution natin kanina? Ito. So, pwedeng maging 5/2. Or, we have 1 plus y squared over x squared is equals to 5/2. Or, by cross multiplication, 2 times 1 plus y squared is equals to 5x squared. So, if we're going to get the equation, or general equation, so we have 5x squared transpose minus 2y squared, 2 transpose minus 2 equals to 0. So, yun na yung magiging general solution then, if you want. But again, okay na to. Okay na to. So, yun yung pinaka topic natin for this topic 4, no, for this session. Kaya, again, tune in, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe kayo, and pakisabi na rin sa mga friends ninyo, Dabbercats, kamag-anak, no, para ma-reach natin yung 1,000 subscribers. Parang tulong nyo na rin sa akin. So, I'm going to give your assignment number, ano na ba tayo? Number 4. Number 4 ba? I don't know kung number 4 or number 3. Maybe number 3 pala. Okay, by this week. And stand by for the next video na ipopost ko rin within this week. So, God bless to us and keep safe. Love you all.